Hey guys, welcome back. I am here today to do my lucky box uncharming for you. So I haven't opened this box yet. I don't know what is inside. It's a mystery box. It's a lucky box. And to fill you guys in a little bit on what it is. So this is from Beautylish.com. And if you are subscribed to their email newsletter, then you would have gotten an email in December saying that they were coming out with their lucky boxes. So this is one of them. This is the lucky box that I got. And basically what a lucky box is there's two. So there's the regular and the extra large. One is $75 with I think $150 worth of product, and then the other one is $150 with over $250 or $300 worth of product. Every year it seems like the extra large box sells out immediately, and so this year I signed up to be one of the first notified to get the extra large box, but some misunderstanding had happened. The guy or girl, I don't know who it is, but the email is like Neal's at Beautylish. They sent an email out saying that the lucky boxes, you know, would be going live tomorrow morning at, I believe it was 11 a.m. So I'm waiting around for 11 a.m. I get online and I'm ready to purchase my extra large lucky box because that's the one that I wanted, and it said sold out. So I kept refreshing, and it still said sold out. So I ended up purchasing the small box because the extra large was sold out, and I emailed Beautylish and they said that they decided to open the website at 10 a.m. instead of 11 a.m. So had I would have known that it was 10 a.m. I would have been able to get my lucky box probably, but I didn't. So instead, I got this one, which I'm still very happy for because this is a box full of products that I have no idea what's in here. I haven't even opened it yet. I just brought my scissors over so I could slice it open, and so we are going to open this together on camera, and basically you guys are going to see what I got in my lucky box. This is one time a year, so next year, it's already next year. This year, in December, just go on Beautylish or sign up for their newsletter and you'll get an email to purchase one of these boxes. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm first going to have a sip of coffee. And my mom said that I should start sharing with you guys my coffee cups. So this is my coffee cup today. I don't need Google. My boyfriend knows everything. And that is 100% true. My boyfriend does know everything. You can ask him any question and he'll have the answer for you. So sometimes I like to ask him questions just to hear him answer them because he's so smart. So yeah, this is like the perfect fitting cup for me. And that's my boyfriend there in the picture right there. That's my boyfriend and I on Thanksgiving. And then the one just above the candle, that's my sister Sam. My sister just started her own YouTube channel, so we will probably be collabing together one of these days. You guys will see that soon. And then this background is, again, and thanks to my work for the beautiful flowers. We had a wedding last night and the florist gave us the flowers, so I decided to film, and I'm so happy that my box came, can you believe it, today on a Sunday. It came today, so I was like, perfect time to sit down and film. And no, I am not naked. I am wearing this cute little tube top from Windsor, just so you guys know. Let's go ahead and get started. As soon as I open the box, this is what I see inside. So this is what's inside of the box, and this looks like it's a little tab. It says, "Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspire us to create our own. This year's lucky bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Lucky Bag 2018, Beautylish." So this wrapping paper is extremely cute. I think I'm going to save this. I have a thing with saving papers, so we are going to save that. Okay, so I guess I should show you guys on camera since it is an unboxing. Can you tell this is my first unboxing? Okay, so black paper. Cool. Okay, so all the products are in here. We are just going to take these out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. We're going with this big one. What is that? Let's open that one first so I'm not looking. Oh, that's kind of strange. If you guys just saw my last video, you guys saw that I just purchased one of these. This is the Clean... Did I put that on my video? I don't think I put that on my video. I probably put it on my Snapchat. It was a Snapchat haul. By the way, if you guys are not following me on Snapchat, I will insert that right here so you guys can go follow me on Snapchat, because sometimes I do hauls on there and I'm on there a lot more throughout the day. So yeah, anyways, this is the Clean Apothecary brush shampoo in the scent lavender. I just used this to clean all my brushes, but in the scent rose, and I absolutely loved it. I'm not... Can you tell me why I got one that's swatched? That is so disgusting. Look at this. My thing is swatched. Do you guys see that? There's fingers in it. And I'm supposed to clean my brushes with this after somebody's grimy fingers were in it. I'll probably give that away to my sister. So the next product that is in here is, oh my gosh, Nude Sticks. Nude Stick lipsticks. I've heard of these, but I've never purchased them. You get this cute little container. And then, let's see. So it comes like that, and what is this? Okay, it's a sharpener, so you get a pencil sharpener. And then it's a nude magnetic eye color. Oh, I don't use these usually, so. I guess the one thing that's cool about these boxes is you don't know what you're getting, and you're getting stuff that you probably would never buy yourself, or maybe you would, you never know. You might get lucky. That's why it's called a lucky bag. So this looks like it's a shimmer, and it is. That's what it looks like. That's the shade that they sent me. It's shimmery. It's for your eyes. You can use it as an eyeshadow, and then it comes with the sharpener, so that's really cool. So I just saw this, and I had to pick it up. This is Natasha Denona. I just bought my first Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, and I absolutely love it. I'm excited to see which one this is, because if this is the one that Tati opened and it was broken, girl, it is. It's that same one, I believe. Ooh, no, this is beautiful. Look at that. Look at the colors on this palette. These are stunning. Wow. I am so excited for this. The purples in this palette are so beautiful and vibrant. I cannot wait to try it out. So this next product that I got is, it's called Hilah Mine. And this is an HA Blur Hyaluronic Based Prismatic Blurring Surface Finisher. So it says that it visibly blurs, minimizes pores, hydrates, and plumps. That's everything that I need. I've been having trouble with my skin lately. I've been breaking out a lot, and I have a lot of texture. So I'm trying to switch up my skincare just a little bit, because I know that this usually happens to me when it is winter time. My skin goes crazy. As it is, I already have very oily skin, so I don't know what is going on with it. So this looks cool. It says that you are supposed to apply over a mix with liquid foundation. Can also be worn alone without makeup. Any powder makeup product should be used after the application of HA Blur. So it's basically a primer, I guess. Interesting. We shall try it out. Okay, next thing is this brush. Oh my gosh. I just got my first ever Wayne Goss brush. And it's a blending brush. This, oh, you guys have no idea. I was just telling my sister about these Wayne Goss brushes. She was telling me that she needs to invest in some good makeup brushes, and I was telling her that Beautylish sells Wayne Goss, and I've heard nothing but great things about Wayne Goss brushes. And just by feeling this, I can tell that this is like the best eyeshadow blending brush ever. It is so soft, and I just got it so dirty with my eyeshadow. I'm so excited for this. Okay, the last item that's in this part is the Neal Highlighter Kevin Aquan. Let's see what this is. Ooh, it's velvety. Comes in this nice little package. Take it out. Oh my gosh. I feel bougie with this. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. Look at that ombre. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I just love the packaging as it is. Ooh, it's a highlighter. So that's what it looks like. and let's swatch it. So it looks like it's one of those ombre ones. Okay, that's very, it's like not extremely highlighting. It's kind of subtle. It's not something that I usually wear, as you can see, but it's not bad. It's that one just right there. You can't really see it, but we'll have to give it a try and see if I like it. The packaging is adorable. This will look nice in my makeup collection. So I'm going to put it back in here. So that's it. Why is there so much? There's like so much tissue paper in the bag. I thought there was more products. I guess that's everything. Oh, there's one more product. One more. Okay, so this is the Gway Skinny Dip in the shade Saint Tropez. I think Skinny Dip is their lip gloss. No, Skinny Dip is the collection. But yes, this is a lip gloss in Saint Tropez. Let's see how. Okay, it's kind of chunky. It's like super glittery. I have a few Gway lipsticks and lip glosses, and I'm not a fan of them. They're not the first ones that I usually reach for, but that is that there, and it's not that bad. So that completes this video. This is everything that I received in the Beautylish Lucky Box. The two things that I'm the most excited about is my new Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette and the Wayne Goss brush. I probably would have purchased these myself had I not gotten them in the box, or had I not purchased the box. So that is really good. The Kevyn Aucoin, I'm not sure that I would have purchased it before, so I'm excited that I have it. A new highlighter, you can never go wrong with that. It's a little bit more on the subtle side, so I will have to give it a try. The Clean Apothecary, I would have purchased this as well, but I'm not excited that it has fingerprints in it. That kind of like weirded me out, because these are supposed to be products that are, you know, brand new. You're not supposed to get products that have been touched. So if it's coming from a factory, or, you know, if it's coming from a factory and then Beautylish's warehouse, they're supposed to package it, you know, from the warehouse and good to go. This shouldn't be something that people are like messing around with and touching, so I'm kind of weirded out by that. And then the Hilah Mine HA Blur, I'm excited to try this because I do have pores, so we'll give this a try. Maybe I'll do like a makeup tutorial with it, or a first impressions, or a wear test. And then lastly, this Nude Sticks, I wouldn't have purchased this myself. This is probably the #1 thing that I'm not excited about, because I just don't ever use like stick eyeshadow stuff. I don't know. I've never actually tried it, but here's the great opportunity to try it. So if you guys did get a lucky box, please comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys got in your boxes. Look out for future videos. My next video coming up is going to be a hair tutorial. For Christmas, I got the most amazing hair curler ever, so I'm going to do a hair tutorial for you guys. And then after that, I'm going to have some Foundation Fridays going up. We are going to start doing Foundations Fridays every single week, so that means that I have to start buying foundation so I can test out for you guys. We're going to be doing wear tests so you guys can see how they react to my oily skin. As you can see, I'm a little dewy right now, and that's because this foundation has been on since about 7 this morning, and it's now probably about 2. I'm not sure. I don't know where my phone is. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you guys did like it. Please do not forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment down below what you have gotten in your box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.